What are some common UX design principles? Some of the most common UX design principles include, but are not limited to: A. User-centered design. With this design principle, you prioritize the needs and goals of the target users throughout the design process. B. Consistency. With this design principle, you can easily maintain a consistent visual and interactive experience in order to reduce cognitive load. C. Accessibility. This design principle ensures that the design is inclusive and usable by people with disability. D. Learnability. This design principle makes it easier for users to understand and navigate the interface without extensive instruction. E. Feedback and responsiveness. This design principle provides clear and timely feedback to user actions in order to enhance the sense of control and understanding. F. Simplicity. This principle strives for simplicity in design, minimizing complexity and unnecessary elements. G. Visual hierarchy. This design principle makes use of visual cues to guide users' attention and also prioritize important information. And that's beautiful, guys.